Hello, my name is Matt, and I'm here to teach you today how to play Joy to the World on the guitar. It's a super easy song in a lot of ways because it only has 3 chords. Let's go over those chords. We have the D chord, there's a G chord, and an A chord. And that's it. No other weird chords to learn on this one. Now, remember, as you're reading through this one, we have lyrics and we have chords. Make sure you change the chord when you get to a particular word or syllable of a word. So, for example, we start off with the word joy, and right above that word is the chord D. And we play that D. Joy to the world. Okay, then we get to the part, the Lord is come. We want to change on the is because that's where the A is right above it. The Lord is, and then right on the next word come, we have our D again. See that? So that's how we want to start learning how to play this. The other thing that you want to do with this one is try to sing along. Even if you're not a great singer, it's okay. Try to sing along because you're going to keep a steady tempo with that one. Now, I do want to give you a few pointers about strumming. Most of this song, we can be pretty vigorous with our strumming because it's an upbeat song and we can have a lot of sound coming out of our guitar. If you want to, a very simple way to do it would simply be just to be doing downstrokes. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And that works perfectly well, doesn't it? Okay, now another way to do this is to add a little bit more bounce to it. So we would go something like, okay, so I'm adding a few upstrokes in between my downstrokes, although in general I'm keeping those nice steady downstrokes all the way through the song. Now there's one spot where I try to change it up a little bit just to give it a little variation here. There's the part we actually hold that D chord for a really, really, really long time. It's right after, it's on the second line, it's right after we say received her king, we play a D chord, and then we get to the line and every heart prepare him room and heaven and nature sing. That section right there, it's all a D chord. So instead of just strumming all the strings, I want to just strum the ones that I have in the middle, like especially the D string and the A string, maybe the B string as well, get that every once in a while. And heaven and nature sing. And see, I just kind of bring it it's a little quieter, a little less resonant because there's less notes involved. Now another way to do this one too, instead of just doing studied quarter notes, we do eighth notes, just see how that works? And so I'm just being really nice and steady with it. And then even when we change to the A chord on the second part where it says heaven and nature sing, we can do the same thing. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and heaven. Okay, now the last thing about this one, I put 2 verses in the words here. So that way you can sing a few times and you can lead your family in singing. That'd be kind of fun, right? And so you start at the beginning, you go all the way through, and then when you get to the end, you play the last D chord, and then you come back all the way to the top. Joy to the world, the Savior reigns. Enjoy this wonderful Christmas song. Play it, practice it, and then share it with your family. Invite them to sing along. Bye-bye.